Now across the top here you got the discussion, which is your discussion boards just here. Now what I can do here is I can add a different channel. So at the moment you can see I've got home and announcements, but I can add a channel, and here I can call this course information 1, and here is the first course stuff, and set an icon which is the briefcase just there, and create channel. Now you can see on the left it's created a new channel. I'm just going to get rid of that add channel button just there. So now I've got an option between course information and announcements and home, and putting it wherever I want to put it. So now you can see that I've got this tab just here. I've got settings here in which I can change the name of it should I want to, but it's set. So what I can do now is I can add information in here directly to the course information, or I can add it to the announcements, or I can add it to home. So here I can add what's on my mind. So here is, so who has started? Here is the first information. Get started. And then I got an option down here to add an image, add a video, attachments, links, and emojis, and then just reiterifying where it wants me to go. So then I can publish a post, and that's it. And I can build this out that way and add as many tabs as I want. Learning, this is where your courses are, where you can add courses. So in here I can add a course, and I can add a course to this area so they've got access to it. So all members can have access. It's free, or I can set a price. So they can see this in here, and they can set a price in order to buy it. So if I got like 20 courses, I can put them all in here, set a price, and then people can look at learning, access the free ones, or pay for the additional ones should they want to. So I can give a trial as well should I want to. So that's amazing for upsells. You can see all your members in here as admin. You can see them all in here, and be able to click on them and see more information about them. And then you got a leaderboard which everyone can see for the gaming and their rewards should there. So few options you got there, and learning is absolutely amazing.